Hello, beautiful people. Like, share, and subscribe. So every day you see Tinubu government doing pure madness, and sometimes you wonder. Anyway, I'm going to give you this long read of this news, so that you can process it. Just cool down. You understand? So, the federal government on Nigeria on Thursday, 11th of January 2024, has approved the open cultivation and commercial release of Teller maize, which is said to be transgenic, insect resistant, and drought tolerant variety, along with other high yielding crop variety. They say this is at the time coming when this is coming at the time when Mexico, the center of origin of maize, has halted the cultivation of genetically engineered corn to preserve local and more nutritious varieties despite heavy pressure from vested interests. Then the Minister of Innovation and Science and Technology, Chief Uchennaji, just let me know. I will not read the part. He's just talking blah 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 rubbish. You know those their big grammar, like to foster economic growth, to foster blah blah blah. Then let me just read some of the things. So they said, based on director of an agency that's concerned about what Nigeria is putting themselves into, GMOs, that's genetically modified food, has been linked to cancers, diseases, allergies, and all sorts of health challenges. And there's even allegations that Bill Gates, you understand, Bill Gates has hand in this. Is that Bill Gates is funding this useless project. I've never seen Bill Gates always come to Nigeria and talk about poverty. I never see Bill Gates build any school, build any hospital. You understand? Or assist in doing one or two development. Look at Makoko. Bill Gates can even use that one as a shining example and transform that place. He has the money, but you only see him invested in useless agendas. You understand? They say in America now, Bill Gates and some of his friends own almost all the big farmland. And by the way, what I'm reading from about this genetically modified food is that this genetically modified food, it's modified, so it requires a lot of pesticides and herbicides, and those are the things that lead to all these health challenges. So some of the health challenges are cancer, diseases, allergies, and all sort of health challenges. That's what Bill Gates and Tinubu signed to bring into Nigerian government. You see, sometimes when you think of Africa, that's why when people say Nigerians are smart, I'm a Nigerian, but I would dispute that fact. If you're smart, you will not bring in something that will kill your own citizens. Nigeria, and they are even saying Nigeria will not even label the thing. So, by the way, they have even brought some of the seeds into the National Center for Genetic Resource and Biotechnology in Ibadan, Oyo State. You understand? They have released over 22 other new varieties said to aim to achieve food security. Those genetically modified food is not why food is scarce in Nigeria. Nigeria is not growing enough food. Nigeria is not mechanizing our agricultural landscape. Nigeria is not insecurity in the bush. It's another thing why food is not everywhere. It's not because of useless genetically modified food. You understand? Other countries that have tried it, they even tested this thing on lab mass and see it cause cancer. The videos are online. You can go and watch it. You understand? Teller maize is the maize they want to introduce to finish our people. Remember when Bill Gates and his wife was saying they expected more people to die of what do they call it? Corona in Africa. This will be an easy way. What you eat makes you. By the time Nigeria that doesn't even have healthcare facility, by the time people start having plenty cancer, plus the kidney disease that people are having all over the place, many people will start wondering. Very useless country. And some people say, hey, Nigeria. If I slap you. Have you been to South Africa? Do you know South Africa is the first country in Africa to accept these GMOs? Do you know the high rate of cancer in South Africa? It's crazy. Our leaders they don't have a mind of their own. They're just puppets. Any small thing you see him snap, everything you see people snap with white people, his people be celebrating. No brain. You can dine with the devil. Yes, black people, we are not adding much value in terms of science and technology. You can dine with the devil with a long spoon. After all, China used to be poor, but now China people have a mind of their own. And by the way, this their GMO used to kill people will not be growing other varieties of crop, because other farmers want to grow this their This their the strain of food that will grow. Have you instead of one seed to produce 100? Have you not observed that food in the West doesn't taste sweet? If you travel to all these developed countries and eat their food, compare apple you eat in, pear you eat in Nigeria with pear in America, it's different. Even their maize, even banana will be tasting like water. That's the thing people want to introduce nonsense. Children will be growing poverty. Everybody will not have quick rate of poverty, and anything that is sharp is dead. Oh. It's not even an organic process. It's not. That's what Bill Gates and Tinubu, his friend, want to spread all over Nigeria. They have approved it. If you like, some people are saying they will not eat maize. Who told you? If you don't eat corn, is it only corn? You don't know there are many byproducts of corn that they put in preserved food. Except you don't want to eat preserved food. There are many, or you want to grow your own corn. There are many other, what do they call it? Substitutes that they will put inside all this your canned food that you will not know. You understand? With corn, you can produce many products, even animal feeds, and those cows will eat it, and you will not eat it, and you start having problem. Country will no get head. The people they don't think. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. No? I don't want to read the full news. I just give you a small. You can also go and research it. Type Teller Maize, Bill Gates, and Tinubu. You go see the. If you search it, where you will see the whole information. Nonsense city leaders. People will not get mind, no brain, nothing. They will with the poverty. Some people are some raw news mentally insane and say, oh, at least let us see food. Is it to see food that will cause you problem? Oswald.